use power.
Getting harder.
Mom, there's gonna be a flood. You can tell.
Yep. Put the alarm off because it's gonna go off, keep going off. The computer. Oh no, it's pushing the rain in here. That sounds scary. On the cord on the computer there. Uh-oh. Siren's going off.
It's not there. Siren. Isn't that a tornado warning siren right there?
I don't know. We gotta turn on the news. There's some siren going off.
That sounds like the tornado siren. Because the thunderstorm sirens are over there. That must be the tornado sirens. That's somewhere else. That's not the normal one that we usually hear. The normal one is usually a lot louder. I'm just surprised that those things are so loud. Oh my god. Look at the spider web on the tree.
Oh, the rain's coming in.
Here.
Alright, it's over. The rain's coming in.